Hello everyone, we are going to do an experiment today. We are making slime. So before that, a small introduction. My name is Rutika.
And my name is Nidhi.
Yes, we both are from IITs and we both are master teachers at Sisya class. So let's make slime together. For making slime, we are first going to take glue. Okay? We have our glue here. And we want our slime to be super stretchy, so for that we are going to add body lotion. You can also add baby oil or shampoo. Yes, and for even consistency we'll add some water. And we'll mix it.
So right now it is in liquid state. Now we will see what happens when we will add the activator. What is activator? In distilled water we have added borax. Borax is an alkali. It is a very strong base. So when we will add this activator in this glue, the consistency will change and the slime will leave the sides of the container. So let's see what happens when we add the activator.
We want you to observe the consistency. As you can see now, it is very liquidy. Now let's see what happens when ma'am adds the activator. You can observe that everything is coming together. You can see that it was initially a liquid, but now it's coming together. We can keep adding borax water. So slime, as we know, it is of course the greatest toy. Everyone loves to play with slime. But not just that, slime is a very good cleaning hack as well. Very difficult places to clean, like the gearbox of the car, the sides of the car, in between the window panes. All these places are very difficult to clean, but they can be easily cleaned using slime.
So now as we can see, the slime has left the sides of the container and it is no longer in liquid state.
Yes. So we'll keep adding till it is all together.
So you may think now it is present in solid state, but it is not exactly solid or liquid. It has properties of both of them. So it is a non-Newtonian fluid. We will see when it is properly done.
Yes. Now our slime is ready. So how do we know that it's ready? It's not sticking to my hand, so it's not glue, because glue sticks to your hand. So this is slime. And as we were saying, it is a non-Newtonian fluid. What do we mean by that? Depending on the pressure applied to slime, it behaves as a solid or a liquid. Like if I punch this slime, I will feel like it's a solid, because it's not going to splash on my face like water. But when I put it in the container, it is going to take the shape of the container like a liquid. So we call it a non-Newtonian fluid. Okay, our slime is ready. And if you want to customize, you can add some glitter in it and you can make it in your own way. So this was it.